Hi Dennis, how you doing? So I got your ad up here, and it looks like everything is placed very well. Your masks work great. Logo is presented very nice, preserving the transparency. Good job there. Your images are placed beautifully. One thing I suggest is this image on top here. Your images are corrected and adjusted very nicely. I think they're showing wonderful detail, both in color and tone. Except this top image here seems to be a little dark through here. There's some areas where it's just, I mean, it's a dark image anyways, but right through here, it's really, really, maybe you can isolate that area, mask that area, and lighten it with an adjustment layer, or attempt to lighten the whole thing. I definitely think the whole image could stand to be a little bit lightened in tone. I would suggest an adjustment layer. I would actually suggest a levels adjustment layer in Photoshop. If you're more comfortable with curves, that's great. Levels, I think, is a little bit easier to manage, but at any rate, let's try to get that image lightened up a little bit. Now, I'm okay with the different images, but this right here in the middle, this real heavy text right here, all you're doing is repeating what's said right here. Okay, official store. All-Star Sporting Goods. You've already said that up here. Oh, wait. All-Star. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, here's All-Star. Here's All-Star. Here's free shipping on orders over 100. And then here says all free shipping orders over $2.99. So that's really confusing. You want to address that. That's a pretty severe inconsistency. This type right here, it doesn't really know if it wants to be centered or left aligned. So this has got to be either left aligned or center these. But right now there's kind of dangling. Each one is just kind of dangling in the middle of this red field kind of aimlessly. So let's really try to anchor those down by getting them firmly centered or firmly left aligned. I would recommend that you take your logo and let's zoom out just a little bit. Take that logo, place it down here. Okay. Then this contact information here, All-Star Sports, and the address, I would slip it right down there. You have to gotta get an address, gotta get some contact information in there. Okay. And then this right here, number one brand, the number one brand, all pros recommended. You don't need that. I think that's really confusing. I would say this is enough right here as far as this text and your promotion goes. It's very clear. Okay. So very good job. Now don't forget that this assignment required that you submit two, roughs. It's the two roughs from, last week's milestone one. So go ahead and drop the other one in here, when you get a chance. Okay. Thanks.